Take off your helmets, breathe through your nose, and crawl out of your doomsday bunkers, Americans, because we got an end-of-the-world update for you. According to an unclassified document obtained by Foreign Policy magazine, the United States military has a policy for dealing with the impending zombie apocalypse.
This is actually a real document from the government of the United States that had a footnote that said, this is not a joke.
Yeah.
And the document says, the plan fulfills fictional contingency planning guidance tasking for U.S. Strategic Command to develop a comprehensive plan to undertake military operations to preserve non-zombie humans from the threats posed by a zombie horde.
Yeah,
it's real.
and the CDC has a plan as well for the impending zombie apocalypse. And although this is sort of funny and kitschy, I think this is actually like a way to make biological terrorism a bigger conversation and a plan for if, God forbid, something like that happened.
I mean, I got nothing. I watch zombie films. I watch zombie TV shows. Plan Z. I don't know if this is a good use of taxpayer money.
No,
I got nothing.
It's not a good use of taxpayer money. Senator Tom
You're not
Coburn.
worried about a hypothetical zombie apocalypse? See, where I'm from Arizona. We plan for the zombie apocalypse. That's why we have all the guns where I'm from.
For you guys in Arizona, I feel like you just want an excuse to go to Walmart. Seriously. that's what this is all about.
Hey, what would you guys do in a zombie apocalypse? Leave us a comment and let us know. Go to takepart.com/live to sign the petition for the Pentagon Budget Transparency. Plus, come on, like this clip, click on one of these videos below for a whole lot more TPL.